Okay. So last class is 10 toko चाहिँ solution हेर्नुको ला थौ चाहिँ 12 ना solution सुर्याका 11 ना sorry. So जुगु 11 ना सुर्या खसा 11 number जुगु to do program to calculate power मला given force, distance, and time taken. So today like it's the two concept shima that ha power out to go. So power out basically work done per unit time kanela. They will work out to call this force into distance. So thuli shi dunga program चाहिँ today like ya gena cho suppose we can the program चाहिँ gena cho ha jita maupati power kakala would a work per unit time ka okay like it's the work the variable mala a work down of force into distance kaniga so okay like it's done a force the variable malka the distance the variable malka mala ale meu da it's the time the variable malka mala to power lagi to get the g 10 power the print ajuga asko print na so kane dot solutions 11 dot dot ये बोले सही जगह 10 आंसर होगा so 10 into 10 100 100 divided by 10 10 so expected answer वाला so 10 आंसर तो problem solve होगा moving on 12 dot dot यागा so 12 dot dot या खासा जगह program to calculate the equation this यागा माला तो notation लाओ तो math वाला notation का माला this is not any different from what we do in programming. So fx so special wala bracket add duni so ke the na jage mane au khasa mala ji f of x the fx thina jagala x squared of x into x konja look at plus 10 au ha suna mala so the ju program is sa gachile sa that's so khasa fx tayo sai x into x plus 10 ju khani ji x tau chu ko da ji mashu so x thousand variable taking so simple so tuli able to program but no solution right ala so ko soche ya pause ya so ko soche ya ji chu hannu ko ji ta mau x squared plus 10 calculate ya mala ji literally ways to calculate hannu ko this is nothing big next 13 dot dot 13 dot dot so kane question su ko calculate energy given mass so again energy formula to Einstein equation ko mc squared bhन्छ to mc squared au jigena chojura ha m into c da chojura la so to get the program dekhi bale ge jilsa o मेरो cho small kura to c da speed of light bhन्छ जुन चाहिँ चिसन्छु 3 into 10 to the 10 to power 8 होला 3 into 10 to power 8 गेना चोले सा तले simply to get a 3 अले with 8 वटा 0 चोसा कागा ठीक छ so void main जित eu value मा हो e dao m into c mc squared so to get like जित mu value मा ल अले जित cu value मा लगा 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 okay tulia runga jigu energy na pya wala given mass and speed of light so energy so thona share laga next 14 dot dot okay kinetic energy compute yada hoga le thana formula na bhi do so very simple kinetic energy da jigu half mv square ko half da yo 0.5 na joijan ala after literally 0.5 is any compute anunga so into m into v that is mv squared so half mv squared thena jojuga to ke program diku bhasa so jimene du jita maura yo kinetic energy ko what out 0.5 into m into v ko that is m ra v maru so ji m ra v deki m to v to okay so thena jigo kinetic energy pikya upati formula dekhiyo thena to जो मेन प्रोग्राम राइट टु गेट ठोजक होला थोला लिटरली भेरिएबल चाहिँ describe हैन जनो भन्छ जि होला So simple. Moving on, 15 dot dot. So 15 ne chudu desa. Tayo area of rectangle datalka. Area of rectangle auto matabale shenato kala chito. So matabale chu shenato L into B, length into breadth. Okay. So jito chuke you like L to makani, B to makani. So L dao literally length ko, B dao literally breadth DTH ko. So jugu area of rectangle again to jugu lower camera ke la L into B jiga. So into down multiply wala asterisk ko. So asterisk jo jugu area of triangle calculate your formula na walkala. And notice that to jugu line jun duni la to jugu main program ko so main jugu logic ko area calculate out. Simple. So moving on, 16 dot dot. 16 dot dot it should do that I believe program to calculate area of circle. Very simple. So so area of circle formula to call pi r square pi r square. So now pi multiplied by r squared. To get the meogena pi into r la. Ali jugu pi dao chuko. Pi dao jugu 3.14 kanela. To ji matabale na thoi dai au ka computations to. So ji ana way dai au kala. So pi dao jugu 3.14 ka. Jugu radius dao any arbitrary radius, let's say 5. So jugu area to sa. Area of circle then jugu pi into r junela. Pi r squared. So today I jugu area of circle na way kala. So notice again thojugu main logic kha thupina variable declaration jai kha thoda literally print out jai kha 17 dot dot. So the print since ha output khanda yaw kha chu. I'm moving on. 17 dot dot do calculate the area of square dalka. Okay, square formula area of square formula is length squared konla. So now L into L so to program dekibale void main jita L property cheese ma jugu area of square wegala. Okay, L into L. So print area of square. Simple. Moving on, 18 dot dot. Calculate the area of triangle that alkala. So triangle area calculate a formula area of triangle half base into height 1 by 2 bh. So to get a triangle 0.5 to say 1 by 2 0.5 multiplied by b into h la. So void main area double area of triangle 0.5 into b into h. So to like it's the b property is similar h property is similar. Simple. Area of triangle so the print area of triangle. So to label it you literally main formula right. Moving on, 19. So 19 very interesting. Program to calculate missing angle of a triangle given the other two angles. So kita gina soche tai bole. Sum of angle of triangle. So triangle do samala to give two angle, one angle so kosa. Okay, total sum is 180 la. To universal truth kala math pailai sinepati. Should out jita duita angle show mala third wala angle find out. Okay, so angles let's say x, y and z conjugate angle. So angle 1 angle 2, angle 3, x plus y plus z mala is equals to 180 kala. Jugu x value let's say 90 mala y value 30 ZU value just a mushu would at so ZU value just choose it 180 minus 90 minus 30 is so simple algebra to get a programming in a type the angle 1 जुन चाहिँ 90 को मा angle 2 जुन चाहिँ 30 को अनि त angle 3 मसु भन्छ चाहिँ so angle 3 ला 180 minus angle 1 minus angle 2 भन्ला literally so you bring z yeah so z down to angle 3 को to down to angle 1 को to down to angle 2 को so notice मलाई you to get main जुन logic को थुल्दै खछु like literally thought out you 19 number moving on 20 number it's a question 2 20 number know something very interesting about triangles so triangle do equilateral triangle doko angles the equal triangle okay Tsushima already shown sum of angle of triangle you 180 already shown okay equilateral triangle you but it all angles are equal okay so you but angle 1 then you 2x where each angle is 2x so angle 1 you 2x khosa so angle 2 not 2x is angle 3 not 2x is comes thoda yo 2x plus 2x ta hola 180 pya mai gani okay 6x ta 180 pya hosa x ta chu julla sa 180 divided by 6 khanja mala to get a chisa program gina dekyo tataipale void main ji thodo ko calculation jugo head yan no mala paila yan no so ji x value find out yama sa literally 180 divided by 6 sa ke josa ka chu ji so x is equals to 180 divided by 6 simple so thuli ya dum ka you 20 number you pati problem no solve jika so to x tells you pati value to find so thoi find it out bunsa so simple we found it and we're done so thuli programming is basically practice again so guli practice and only so it's a practice yana on money